Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi barakatuh. Hope all of you well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I would like to welcome all of you to my today's online class. In my previous class I discussed with the definition of tense, its classifications, the structure of present indefinite and continuous with examples. It was my part 2 class. Today I am going to discuss about the present perfect tense, and it is my part 3 class. So let's get started. Present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. What is present perfect tense? Present perfect tense. Present perfect tense indicates the work which has already been done, but the effect or result of which still exists. Present perfect indicates the work which has been already done, but the effect of which still exists. So it is the definition of present perfect tense. If we discuss about the word perfect, that it has already been done. Okay, so examples. Number 1, we have studied. We have studied at home for 2 hours. Look at the given sentence. We have studied at home for 2 hours. Okay, so the work studied has already been performed. That means it is present perfect tense, that we have studied at home for 2 hours, but the results or effect of it still exists. So that's why it's present perfect tense. So let's get started and let's discuss about the structure of present perfect tense. Here I am going to write the structure. So what is the structure of it? So if we want to make present perfect tense, we have to follow a certain rule, a certain structure. Otherwise we cannot make present perfect tense. So notice the structure. First of all, we need subject. You know, if you want to make a sentence, we need subject. So here it is subject. Then we need have or has according to the person or number of the subject. So subject, then have or has. Have, has, plus verb 3. Verb 3 refers to past participle form of the main verb. Then object. Examples: Walid has kept the money in the box. Walid has kept the money in the box. It's present perfect tense. Why is it called present perfect tense? So let's discuss it. Let's explain it. So according to the rules, we need at first subject. Here Walid is subject. Walid is subject. Then have or has. So when has is used and when have is used, it's very normal, common and easy, because when we have third person singular number, we need to add has. As I mentioned the third person singular number in my previous class, I'm gonna repeat it, that except I, we and you, all the things in this world are third person. I, we and you. Except I, we and you, all the things in this world are third person. Okay, so here Walid is out of I, we and you. That's why it's third person. And if this third person is in the singular number, we should put here has, because here has is appropriate to Walid. That's why has is used here. So Walid has. Okay, so it is auxiliary verbs. Then verb 3. Verb 3 refers to the past participle form of main verb. For example, we know verb 1, verb 2, verb 3. That means present form, past form and past participle form. For example, do. Do is the verb. So what is the past form of do? Did. Yes, did is the past form and done is the past participle form. So we need verb 3. We need past participle form of the main verb. So here keep is the base form. Keep, kept, kept. Keep, kept, kept. Verb 1, verb 2 and verb 3. Here kept is the verb 3, past participle form. So here we have kept, it is in the past participle form, so we don't need to change it. So here kept is verb 3, past participle form of the main verb, and the object is the money in the box. However, so Walid has kept the money in the box. It is present perfect tense. Number 2, She has gone to the library. She has gone to the library. She has gone to the library is present perfect tense, as we have created it according to the formula. Subject she, then have or has here auxiliary verbs, and then gone, verb 3 past participle form. Okay, so she has gone to the library is present perfect tense. I am going to write another example. I have not finished my work yet. I haven't finished my work yet. It's present perfect tense, as we have I and have. You know, have is used with I. Okay, so I have not finished my work yet. It's negative sentence. I have already solved the problem. I have already solved the problem. It's present perfect tense. Here we have adverb already. Lately, recently, already, ever, never. These are the adverbs, and these adverbs are often used in present perfect tense. And we can identify this whether it is present perfect tense or any other tense, noticing the adverbs already, recently, ever, never. Okay, so if we find these adverbs in the sentence, we can see easily that it's present perfect tense, as we have already in this sentence. However, so I have already solved the problem, it's present perfect tense, as we have I, subject, have, auxiliary verbs. Do you have any idea about auxiliary verbs? There are some auxiliary verbs in English grammar. There, am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had, can, could, should, would, may, might, must, have to, would rather, used to, had better, ought to, need, dare, be, going to be, do not, does not, and did not. These are the auxiliary verbs. So, have, has are one of the auxiliary verbs in my listed auxiliary verbs. So, I have already solved the problem. Then, number 5, BTB has telecast the program. BTB has telecast the program. Here BTB is subject, has auxiliary verb, and telecast is the past participle form of the main verb. It's also called verb 3. So telecast, and telecast. These the 3 verbs are the same. Present, past, and past participle form are the same. Okay. So another example of present perfect tense. KSFM has arranged online classes for the newly admitted Alim first year students. KSFM is the abbreviation of our famous madrasa in our locality, Kajipura Siddiqia Fazil Madrasa, has arranged online classes for the newly admitted Alim first year students. So it is also present perfect tense, as we have subject KSFM, then auxiliary verb, and then verb 3, past participle form of the main verb. That's why it's present perfect tense. So my dear students, we discussed the present perfect tense is a structure with examples. It was my part 3 class, and in my next class I will discuss with another tense. Till then, Allah Hafiz. That's all for the time being. Thank you so much for watching my class.